Hi everyone, my name is Punachangan and you can call me I am a first year student in the Faculty of Fishery. I chose this field because I am interested in aquatic animals and aquaculture, especially shrimp farming. In my free time, I enjoy playing games, listening to music, and spending time with my friends. These activities help me relax and reduce stress after studying. My dream is to become a successful shrimp farmer in the future. I would like to learn more about fishery, aquaculture, and modern farming techniques so that I can apply this knowledge in my career. I am very excited to start my university life and meet new friends from different backgrounds. I hope we can learn together, help each other, and have a great time in this class. Thank you for listening. Nice to meet you all.